3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Step into reading. Step 2. The Grinch. Welcome to WHO-VILLE. All the Who's are excited. Christmas is coming to WHO-VILLE. Cindy Lou is bold and brave. She likes to go on adventures. Cindy Lou loves Christmas. She wants to meet Santa Claus in person. Rupert wears a blue and white scarf. He has curly red hair. Rupert and Cindy Lou are best friends. When Cindy Lou makes a plan, she always calls Rupert. Icy wears ear muffs to keep her ears warm. Ozzy's goggles stop the wind from getting into his eyes. Axel looks good in his blue coat. When Cindy Lou needs help, she can always count on her friends. Donna is Cindy Lou's mom. She loves her children very much. Donna looks forward to spending Christmas with her family. Bricklebulb is the Grinch neighbor. He has a big bushy beard. He wears a red sweater with pine trees on it. Bricklebulb is jolly and kind. He might love Christmas more than any other Who. Up in the hills lives the Grinch. The Grinch is tall and green and lonely and mean. His heart is 2 sizes too small. He doesn't like Christmas at all. Max lives with the Grinch. He has long floppy ears and a floppy tail too. Max is the Grinch's best friend. Fred is a big reindeer. He has short antlers. He becomes friends with the Grinch and Max. The Grinch has a plan. He will steal Christmas from the Who's. But Cindy Lou and the other Who's teach the Grinch to love Christmas. Together, the Who's and the Grinch celebrate Christmas. Merry Christmas. It's a lot of stickers. See the stickers? The end.
I'm gonna open them. I like the food.
Okay, now I can.
I really like him.
Whoa!
3, 2, 1.
Whoa!
Oh, I have this vehicle on tag with Ryan.
Really?
Yeah, I have it. I like this. Let's open this. Whoa! It says Ryan. Okay. Take it off.
Whoa! You got so many.
Oh, and Mom, look. Here. So let me just take this aside. Okay, now we're gonna open this one. And he has accessories. Look, where is it? Oh,
Right here.
he has binoculars. Oh, I got Builder Ryan, but different. Oh, he's a Builder Ryan.
You need some help?
I think I got it. Thank you. Look, Mom. Look. Mom, look.
Oh.
He's Builder Ryan. He's the Builder Ryan,
So I'm
remember?
just gonna laugh.
Remember the Builder Ryan? He was the Builder Ryan. Oh, that was Bravo. Okay, it's blue. Let's see what it is. Oh my gosh, I got an evil character.
What is that?
I got Combo's evil twin.
Oh, evil.
He's squishy. Yeah. I'm so boneless. Wait. Mom, look. He has the same color of headphones. But different. They're black. Combo's is red. And the same. And Mom, look at his fur. It's red. Oh, I got a pink Ryan.
That's purple.
Yeah.
I think that's chef.
He's a painter.
A painter.
Let's take the accessory out. It's a paintbrush. Oh, he's not a builder on. That's so cool. Paintbrush. Paint for sale. Oh!
What is it?
It's like remember like when you have like meat and you look like this?
Oh.
Yeah. And it is an accessory.
How many do you have? 7? 8?
6.
6.
Yeah, 7.
7.
Oh, I got stickers. And this might be a tattoo.
Are they all
I
tattoo?
don't really know.
You have to heat it up, yeah?
Let me see. Oh, it said there's a tattoo. Oh, so that means these are tattoos.
Mm-hmm.
And I have a weird one.
Do you want me to put it? Can we do that later?
Yeah.
Yeah. Put that aside, mommy. Put the tattoo together. Put the tattoo in a container so that you won't. Because I'm gonna clean up later.
Final one. Oh, this is like putty. Putty.
Oh, buddy.
Okay. Okay, now we have this truck.
What is it? Truck?
Now let me take a character out and I'm gonna put it. I'm gonna take him. Oh, is he a gold? Oh, he's a Builder Ryan.
That's the first one, yeah. So are you done with that one now?
Let's try putting him right here. Wow. Okay, that's all for this channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But for now, bye!